Hi, today I'm going to show you how to take food orders using ORO POS. First thing you need to do is open ORO POS in the device you have it installed on. Select Dine In, and once you're in the table map, you're able to choose which table your guests are going to be seated at by clicking on the table and adding the number of guests. Once that's set, you're ready to take the order. Let's start with drinks. Let's say they choose Pepsi and Sprite. Now let's go to food. Let's add pasta primavera and the vegetable lasagna, and it will be added to the ticket on the right. Sometimes guests want to modify their meal, no worries. Just select the dish they're requesting to change, then type in any special cooking instructions. Once you've done that, select OK and the modification will be added to the ticket. When everything is set and you're ready to go, just hit send and the order will automatically appear in the kitchen display and the team can start preparing the food. And just like that, you've taken the order and sent it off to the kitchen. Easy, right? Thanks for watching and happy ordering!